Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing. This is the box that we received for the month of May, and you guys are going to see my real results, my testimony, and my personal experience and opinion on the box of May. From the title, you guys, I probably gave it away, but I'm just gonna say it. I'm really disappointed in this month's box. So I hope you guys got a better box than I did. I am going to be putting all these products to the test. I did use the eyeshadow palettes that we got in the box. This is the look that I created, as well as tested out the Glamglow BerryGlow mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to unbox your box with me, go ahead and get it ready, and let's get started. Let's start off with the face because I don't have a base. I just have my eyebrows done. I think I'm going to apply the mask, and then while it dries, like maybe we can work on the eyes. So for some odd reason, you guys, I don't know if I accidentally threw it away or if they accidentally forgot to give me a card, but my Boxycharm doesn't have a card in it, which is very strange. Like, we always get our cards. The only thing that I have is this card right here, and this is just for us, like, influencers, to make sure that we are following the FTC guidelines. Thought that was weird, so I did have to look up the details of the Glamglow. So this is supposed to be a moisturizing mask packed with super berries and probiotics to help repair skin's moisture barrier. This is for no more dry and combination skin. It works for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, and fine lines and wrinkles. It is supposed to be a lightweight mask. I personally am a huge fan of Glamglow products. I've used their toner, their face washes, their setting spray. I've used a ton of their stuff, and I personally really like it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up. It has a very gentle scent, which I love. I don't love when like the masks are too overpowering. Ooh, it is cold. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the skin. This low-key reminds me of like yogurt. Like, if you guys have ever done a yogurt mask, that's what I think of. It does have a bunch. Do you guys see these little like dots or whatever it is? I think those are like the little berry extracts. I'm going to turn on my timer on my phone, so I know to take it off in exactly 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow. So in my box, I received the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. This one retails for $22. I am going to be completely honest with you guys, and I am extremely beyond disappointed in my box. Like, out of everything that I got, the only thing that I can see myself using is the mask, and that's, hopefully I like it. I mean, like I said, I've never been disappointed in any Glamglow products, but there's always the first. So I'm going to go ahead and prime the eyes. I can tell you right off the bat that this is a primer that I actually am not going to use. This is more of a silicone primer, and I prefer more of a concealer consistency type of primer. So because I don't like that primer, it feels very strange on my fingers. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my personal concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer, and I'm just going to use this because I know I'm not going to like the way my eyeshadow looks if I stick with just that primer. That primer has a really weird sticky residue, and I hope it doesn't mess up my eyeshadow. Anyway, so we're going to move on to the eyeshadow that came in my box. This is by the brand Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette, which looks like this. This one has a retail price of $35, which is really expensive. If I'm going to be honest with you guys, this is not a palette that I would even pick up. I would not purchase a palette with this color scheme for $35. Like, there's so many eyeshadow palettes that you can buy for half the price. But we're going to see how the quality is. I'm going to start with the shade Bare, which is this one right here. This is a really nice taupey brown. Oh my god, okay, this base the pretty Vulgar base is sticky. Do you guys see how patchy this is looking? And I mean, I've used that Camel concealer hundreds of times to set it as a base, and this has not happened before. So I know it's not the concealer for sure. I can't. I can't do this. Okay, I'm going to take off my eyeshadow because I can't with this sticky base. It's going to be a hot mess. So I'm just going to remove that really quick. I'm going to go back with that same color shade, Bare. Okay, so my timer just went off. So I'm actually just going to use the wipey that I had in front of me. And I'm just going to remove that mask. No thanks. No tea, no shade, but I have worked with so many different brands of eyeshadows, and I can tell you guys, like, this palette for $35, I'm just not feeling it, and I really don't want to sound negative or like I am just like in a pissy mood, but I swear, like, I mean, you guys can see for yourself, yes, there is color payoff, but not what you would expect if you are paying a hefty price for a palette like this. Like, it's workable, sure, but I have so many drugstore palettes that will definitely outperform this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the shade Fate, which is the darkest brown in the palette. And I'm just going to lay it right here, just kind of like smudging it. And then I am picking up a little bit of the shade Glaze, which is the vanilla shade in the palette. And then I'm going to apply that underneath the brow bone. Just right there. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Gilded, which is this one right here. Honestly, this palette, now that I think about it, really reminds me of the Urban Decay, like the revamped palette, the Naked palette. I think that's what it's called. So if you have that palette, like, do you even need this? It is pretty. I like the colors. They're very cool tone. If you are a cool tone person, then hey, you're going to like this. But again, like, I don't know. I'm just not feeling like the quality of the palette or the eyeshadow themselves. The last item that I got in my box is this Blinc Black Lash Primer. This retails for $26. This is the Jet Black Volume Mascara. You guys know that I am personally not a fan of mascaras. I personally don't care for mascaras just because I do wear falsies. But since we have it in the box, I'm going to go ahead and throw that into my lashes. I'm going to prep my lashes so I can apply some falsies on them. And I almost feel bad opening this little mascara because I do have, oh my god, can you guys see my grays coming through? Like, it is time for me to dye my hair. But I'm waiting for my hair delivery to come in the mail. And I'm also going to be doing a video, like an updated, like how I maintain my hair, how I maintain the black, how I keep my hair so long, shiny, and healthy. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. An eye out for that. What am I saying? I'm talking nonsense. I'm hungry. I threw on an eyeliner because I just felt like this look needed it. I didn't contour my nose and I feel really weird without it. Oh my god, my hair looks so bad, you guys. And I'm going to tell you why. So the other product that we got, or that I got at least in my box, I'm sure some of you guys also got it. We got this Daily Concepts Individuals Who Think in the Shower shampoo bar. This is a plant-based vegan little shampoo, which is kind of weird. When you open the box up, I was really intrigued. So you open it up and you get a little jaboncito, like a little bar of soap. Now, I did use mine last night, and it comes with like a rope right here, and you just take it off when you use it. So the instructions here says to, let's see, so it says wet the bar in your hair, swipe the bar several times on your hair from root to tip, put the bar down and lather shampoo into hair, it will foam. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna try it out, let's see if it works. Who asked for this shampoo? Oh my god, like I wish you guys could feel my hair right now. I don't think it looks as bad on camera. It has no shine to it. It feels so thick. Like if you touch my hair, it definitely feels like it has residue on it. In the morning when I was curling it earlier, my hands felt like they had residue on them. Oh my god, I hated the shampoo so much, and I did apply like my normal conditioner afterwards, but still, like, I don't know if you guys can see, like my hair just looks, ugh, it doesn't look bad, it feels nasty. That is it for me, you guys. This is my review on the May 2020 Boxycharm. Honestly, I am just really disappointed in the box. I got 1, 2, 3 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 items. Out of the 5 items that I have, this is the only thing that I know I'm going to keep using over and over again. And I might even do a mask with my little girl because this one is for moisturizing the skin. But everything else was just a total flop for me. So I'm sorry to be so negative in this review, but I want to be completely transparent and honest with you guys. So I would love to know your thoughts. I love hearing your feedback in your box. Sometimes you love it, sometimes you don't, and that's okay. So thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was a little on that negative side. I love you all so much. Please stay safe out there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.